The COVID-19 pandemic has shown that global manufacturing capacity is not sufficient to deliver vaccines and other essential health products quickly and equitably to where they're needed most. Earlier today, I joined several leaders from Africa for a discussion about how to increase local vaccine production. It was very encouraging to hear from the presidents of Rwanda and South Africa and also Senegal speak about the concrete steps they have so far taken to start local production. As you know, early in the pandemic, African countries came together to agree on a coordinated continental approach to the pandemic. And now they're coming together for a coordinated approach to scaling up manufacturing. Investing in sustainable and secure domestic manufacturing capacity and national regulatory authorities is critical for providing essential immunization programs and for building strong, resilient health systems against the inevitable health emergencies of the future. To address this challenge, WHO and our partners have established a COVAX manufacturing task force, as has been explained by Soumya, to increase supply in the short term, but also to build a platform for sustainable vaccine manufacturing to support regional health security in the long term. What should be done today should be done today. WHO is also ready to provide immediate technical support to assist countries in assessing the feasibility of local production and in accessing technology and know-how. I also want to express my solidarity with the people on the Caribbean island of St. Vincent who have been evacuating their homes due to volcanic activity over the weekend. According to experts, there are likely to be further eruptions, and WHO stands ready to support the government and people of St. Vincent in any way we can. And finally, I would like to wish all Muslims Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Kareem. Thank you.